Welcome. In front of me is an Amazfit T-Rex 3, and I'll go unboxing along with a quick look at the watch itself. Anyway, let's just pop it open. Come on, there we go. I want to point out one thing. I like this inclusion where it tells you where the actual power button is. There we go. Now inside here we also have charging puck and a swap for normal kind of wristband, watch bands adapters. I don't know how to call it. So you can basically remove these silicone straps, screw this in, and then attach to this a normal strap. I do want to point out that this is made out of plastic, so I don't know how durable that will be. And you can see we have the screws that hold it right here. They are weird, like triangle ones. And we get the tool itself for it. I'm gonna try to get this close so you can see what I mean. Come on, camera. Please focus. There we go. So you can see the triangle with a couple, like 3 different prongs that stick out of it. And the other side looks to literally have nothing. Oh! So the other side would be, once you unscrew it, you can push out the entire thing that will be going through here. So there we go. And obviously there's a second one for this. Now, most wrist straps that you buy, I believe they don't come with the metal retention bracket that would go between here. So these also don't come with it either. So you need to purchase them separately by the looks of it. There we go. That's basically the watch, and you can see the display right here. So there we go. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.